You know, we always got to have some type of sauce or something, y'all. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some air fried manwiches. But before we get into this video, you guys, you already know. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys, we have some manwiches made with egg roll wraps, you guys. I tore this. I didn't cut it. I just like broke it apart with my hand so you guys can see the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and bless this food and see what these joints taste like, y'all. All right, you guys, we're about to see what these joints taste like. All right, so right here I have, let me turn this around so I can get right. I got some vegan ranch right here that I made, and I also made some manwich sauce. And it's just simple sauce. It's just vegan mayo, some of the manwich sauce, and I got some sriracha sauce in there too, y'all. So we about to see what this joint tastes like, y'all. Now I'm about to see what it tastes like with this vegan ranch. You know, we always got to have some type of sauce or something, y'all. Okay. Okay. That's good, y'all. I'm almost afraid to dip it into this other sauce because that sriracha sauce is spicy already. And this is already hot. This is already spicy, y'all. I said it backwards. And this has the sriracha sauce in it, but we're gonna try it out anyway, y'all. Ooh, hold up. Wait a minute, hold up. Oh my. That's good, y'all. Gotta drop some sauce now. Oh God. This is good. Got that little Beyond, dropped in there and put it on my fries. Y'all, when I tell y'all, y'all definitely gotta try these out. And don't skip the sauce, y'all. Don't skip that sauce. See how the Beyond dropped in there, y'all. Just gonna take some fries and scoop it on up out of there. That's it. What's so stupid about it there? I tell y'all, this is so good. And I almost didn't even make it. Because when I tell y'all today, I was super tired. Super tired. Had, of course, Mother's Day was yesterday, and when I got up around, I think I got up around 7, probably 6 or so the first time. And I went back to sleep. That's the worst thing you can do, y'all, whether you know it or not. If you wake up in the middle of the night or over in the morning, you may as well just go ahead and get up and start your day or whatever you're doing. And I know a lot of times when you get, when you're waking up around that time, that's your time to be praying, because God's trying to tell you something at those hours. But me, I was so tired, so I decided to lay back down and try to go back to sleep, and woke back up at 7. And I was like, Lord, I don't want to get up this early. So I ended up getting up. But anyway, so long day yesterday, and just got up early this morning. Still was tired, and I'm still tired now, y'all. But I had to come on here and do this video because it was in my mind, and I was like, usually when that stuff pop up in my mind, I just need to go ahead and do it and stop procrastinating. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off by sauteing some onions. I already got the onions chopped up. That ice maker always does that now whenever I start doing videos, y'all. I don't know why I do that. We're gonna go ahead and saute some onions so they become tender. I'm gonna add in a little bit of minced garlic. Let me grab a spoon. I don't want these to cook too fast. Alright, now next we're gonna go ahead and add in our Beyond Burger. I usually use the Impossible Burger, but for some reason it gives me a lot of gas, y'all. So they came out with this new one right here. I know that might have been too much information, but I'm just being transparent. So I'm gonna try this one out right here for the first time when I'm making manwiches or any other tacos or whatever I decide to use the Beyond Burger for, because I had stopped using it for a while because I didn't like it. Looks too pasty and it just didn't taste right. But I guess it was all in me adding seasonings and whatever to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and brown the Beyond Burger. I'll go ahead and chop this up a little bit, break it up some. I need to get me a meat, one of those meat choppers that I be seeing a lot of YouTubers using, a lot of chefs and other content creators. I need to grab one of those. But in the meantime, in between time, you guys, I'm going to be using this right here. It's been working just fine. Yeah, I don't like my, even when I was making eating regular ground beef and stuff, I don't like it chunky. Some people like theirs like that, but I almost make it into minced. I don't like it to be too chunky. You can leave some chunks in it, but not too much. So I'm gonna get this all the way brown, you guys. Trying to heat up some. Oop, 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 oop. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and add some more seasonings in there, you guys. We're gonna go ahead with some garlic powder. Just the basic seasonings, you guys. Garlic powder, onion powder. Some salt. Pepper. With a little dash of Cajun Creole. Let's stir this up, you guys. Get those seasonings all in there. Get them well combined. A little bit of crushed red peppers, because who doesn't like a little spice? Just a few flicks, you guys. I'll turn this back down, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and add in our manwich sauce. You could use this one, the original manwich, or you can use just the store brand sloppy Joe mix, whichever one you prefer. But since I haven't used this one in a while, I just decided to go ahead and get the original manwich sauce. We're going to add in some nutritional yeast. We need some B12 in our system, you guys. And this is like a cheese, that gives it that cheesy flavor. For those that know about nutritional yeast. We're gonna go ahead and give this a little taste, you guys. Oh yeah. Gonna hit it with a little bit more sauce. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off because this is ready. I'm gonna let this cool off because you cannot put this hot inside of the egg roll wraps because they will rip, or I mean they will tear apart. So I didn't mean to say rip, they will tear apart. So once this cool off, you guys, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so now for the egg roll part, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a pizza cutter and I'm gonna make these round. Go around the bowl just like that. I'm left-handed, y'all, so I do it. Oh, sorry y'all. I do a lot of things backwards, but that's okay. All right, so we're gonna just disregard these straps right here. Scraps. We're gonna disregard the scraps, y'all. the egg roll rounds here. So now I am going to, just to speed up the process, you guys, I end up putting the manwich filling, I put that in the freezer so it can cool off all the way before I place them on here. So once I get that out of the freezer, you guys, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I just took the filling out the freezer. Now I am going to go ahead and fill this up. And by the way, y'all, this tastes good. That manwich, oh my. Set this over here. So now y'all put this on the top just like that. What I'm gonna do now is get the sides together, you guys. With the sides all the way around. Well, there's no sides. Just wet the egg roll all the way around, you guys. So I'm gonna place this on top. And we're gonna do the same thing for this one. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pinch these sides. Now, sorry about the noise in the background. You keep hearing landscapers are outside. So if you hear a leaf blower, that's what the landscapers are out there. All right. I want to make sure this is all the way in there, you guys. Together. All right, so we got that one done, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the air fryer, and then I'll finish up the other one. But first, I'm gonna add a little olive oil, you guys. So on the top, just so it won't be so dry. As you know, with the air fryers, you have to use olive oil or butter. And make sure both sides are covered with olive oil. If you have some olive oil spray, you know, that probably looks better, but yeah, this is what we're going to do. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one in the air fryer. The air fryer is already set for 400. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. And while that's in the air fryer, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, I just took these out the air fryer. Here's what they look like. We're gonna go ahead and get these things plated up. Don't mind that one, y'all. That was the very first one I did, and it, I think I left it in there too long. But anyway, you see how this one came out so good, y'all. This one came out so good. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these plated up. I got some fries on right now. I'm just waiting for those to finish in the air fryer, and I'll be back. As usual, this is my dinner. Always remember, if it ain't no love in it, don't do it. Love is power. This is the end of this video, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.